What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm reviewing the Nike React Element 87 in Blue Chill Solar Red. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you didn't already know, as a thank you guys for supporting the channel, I'm actually giving away a pair of off-white Nike Blazers. This is a brand new size 10 that I purchased off StockX, and as with the other giveaway, this giveaway is open internationally. So no matter where you live, you're eligible to win this pair of sneakers. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is to click the link in the description below, and that will take you to gleam.io. Gleam will prompt you to subscribe to my channel, and if you want more entries to win, all you have to do is give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter, also through Gleam. So good luck to everyone entering the giveaway, and once again, thank you so much for supporting the channel. The Nike React Element 87 has been one of Nike's most popular brand new silhouettes this year. Nike's gone all in on this shoe with an undercover collaboration and a budget model called the Element 55. This new Blue Chill Solar Red shoe is essentially the exact same thing, just in a different colorway. And the reason I was willing to even review this shoe is because, in my personal opinion, this is probably the second best colorway of the shoe to release. So without further ado, here it is, the Nike React Element 87 in Blue Chill Solar Red. Starting off on the upper of the sneaker, you've got that same plastic mesh that's used on every other React Element 87. It's still translucent like the other pairs, which means you can see right through it, except this time around it comes in sort of a smoke gray color. As I've said in all my other 87 reviews, I really like this silhouette because it allows you to completely change the colorway of the sneaker by just changing the color of your socks. Same thing goes for this colorway, except I prefer the more clear version of the upper that's used on the sail colorway. On the toe of the sneaker, you've still got your visible darker underlay, and then running down the center of the toe, you've got this white stitching and also a mini Nike swoosh on the medial side of the toe. Moving up the shoe, all the materials used on this sneaker are exactly the same as the original Nike React 87. The only difference here, obviously, is the colorway. On the bottom, you've got this black leather panel, and then as you continue up the eyelets, you've got this sort of light gray felt feeling material. Beneath that, you've got these tiny little light blue accents peeking out from underneath it. At the top of the eyelets, you've got this bright pink accent, which can also be found in the center of the tongue as well. Of course, this sneaker has flat black laces with gray accents dotted down the center. As with the other sneakers in the React Element series, you've got your asymmetrical tongue, your Nike React branding, and then your Nike check pinwheel. Moving inside the sneaker, you've got a very minimal upper. There's not really any padding to speak of. One cool detail on this sneaker is that Nike added a cork insole with this oversized Nike swoosh in bright pink. As for fit, the Nike React Element 87 does fit relatively true to size. It's a slightly more narrow shoe, so if you have narrow feet like myself, I might suggest going down half a size. But if you're a wide footer, you probably should be fine going true to size. As I always suggest, if you actually have the chance to try on the shoe first before you buy it, make sure you do that to make sure the sizing is right for you. Because honestly, if you get the wrong size in this shoe, it sort of creases in the front when you bend your toe and it just doesn't look good. Moving back to the midfoot of the sneaker, you've got this oversized gray Nike swoosh printed on the lateral side. The medial side of the sneaker does not have a Nike swoosh. Instead, this felt material around the eyelet actually extends down to the midsole, and then you've got this black and blue stitching detail running down the side. Continuing back on the sneaker, you've got this light blue underlay that sort of makes the entire heel of the sneaker blue. Running through the center of the heel, you've got that signature React Element stitching detail, this time around in black and pink. Also running along the heel, you've got this small black TPU heel counter. Moving around to the heel of the shoe, you've got this pink pull tab with a pink Nike swoosh facing downward. Moving down the sneaker, you get to the namesake of the shoe itself, the full React midsole. This midsole and outsole setup is pretty much the exact same thing that's found on every other Element 87, except for this time around, it comes in black with translucent red detailing. If you've never actually tried React before on foot, it's very soft, it's very comfortable, however it does crease the more you wear it. Finally, moving to the bottom of the sneaker, you get a much better shot of the translucent red rubber outsole. Overall, the Blue Chill Solar Red React Element 87 is a good sneaker. In fairness, it's pretty much more of the same when it comes to the Element 87. There really isn't anything different other than the colors themselves. One thing I do have to say though is that the solar red color isn't actually red, it's just pink. This shoe released last week for $160 and pretty much sold out immediately. If you are trying to grab a pair of these for yourself, you'll probably have to pay resale, and the best place to go for that is StockX. But that pretty much wraps up the video for today. I'd love to know your thoughts on the Nike React Element 87 in this Blue Chill and Solar Red colorway, so make sure to leave those comments in the comment section down below. Once again, if you want to enter to win this off-white Nike Blazer, make sure to click the link in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.